Labs was established in 2013 by Tomasz, myself, and another co-founder, Branimir Rakic from Serbia. So essentially, we're coming from Slovenia and Serbia, and our initial aim was to increase transparency in supply chains. And over the years, we started adding decentralized components so that we could increase trust and integrity of the data that is being exchanged. And as we saw that the initiative that was launched by the European Commission called Next Generation Internet was in place, or started to be in place a few years ago, we joined the NGI ledger, in which we developed the food data marketplace. And then we also saw that there is a great chance of bringing what we have developed in Europe across the Atlantic to the US. So now with the NGI Atlantic, one of the aims is to conduct a few experiments both in EU and the US together with our partners there called Kakasi out of San Francisco.
Food Data Marketplace is a project that aims to bring sustainability to food supply chains by enabling the very upstream partners like farmers to have a more seamless, not only data capture, but also data monetization. What we want to prove within the NGI Atlantic is that we can put a very innovative Kakasi devices, which hold all 5 sensors and capture data on the field, and enable valorization and monetization of the captured data across the supply chain, and enable farmers to keep those devices in by paying for itself.
Food Data Marketplace was developed in order to deliver more transparency, trust, and also sustainability in food supply chains. And we know that food supply chains and other supply chains are very opaque. So Food Data Marketplace, using privacy by design principle, and also principle of more equitable sharing of gains in the data economy, is bringing more actors to the table in food supply chains and incentivizes them to share data. And by sharing data, they're also contributing to better transparency and eventually to better sustainability of food supply chains.
Ambitions with the Food Data Marketplace are quite big in a way, because we're talking about a fundamental technology that has the ambition to really change how we think about the integrity of data, how we think about data ownership, how we think about exchanging value for certain data, and all of these things are encapsulated with the projects that we're tackling, even within the NGI Atlantic. So in the short term, we really want to showcase with the selected supply chains that we'll be working on over the course of these 6 months, that there is a sustainable way of having Food Data Marketplace be deployed together with the Kakasi devices in those selected supply chains. Beyond that, in midterm and in long term, we really see this expanding, firstly within obviously the food sector more widely, but then also because the technology in itself has a industry agnostic core. We seek to take this Food Data Marketplace and really expand it to other industrial data marketplaces, where the same principles, the same value drivers are present, and we really seek to enable all these different industries to look at the cases that were done within the food industry, learn from that, get inspired from them, and seek how they can utilize data governance, better data governance approaches, better data valorization approaches within their industries.
NGIatlantic.eu,
bridging EU-US research on next generation internet.